Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk this product Black Girls Vitamin Collagen Peptides. Okay, so you should buy this product or not, and what are the things you need to keep in your mind while buying this product on their website on Amazon.com. Does it really work, or it just another hype of the product? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, Black Girls Vitamins is a very popular brand, and they are approx 4 years from now. Okay, and in the period of 4 years, they have very huge category of supplements. Okay, so basically if we talk about like the problem, first of all we are going to talk about the problem. The only problem of this brand is like they will provide you auto delivery system when you place any order on their official website. Okay, and this is problem for some people, but for some people this is not a problem, this is a opportunity. Like they don't need to place order again and again and again. They will get auto deliveries. But if you want to use product only for one time, then this is bad thing for the, you can like, customer. Okay, because they have to cancel the subscription, otherwise they have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription if they want product or not. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if we talk about this product, basically this is a collagen peptide, and these kind of collagen peptides are very popular in today's time. And according to, you can like, overall research, collagen peptides are very good, because when you use any, you can say like, supplement, and if you are not able to take lots of amino acids in your diet, and if you are not able to use, you can say like, these kind of collagen from your diet, then these kind of supplements really helpful to build your muscle, to provide you antioxidants, to provide you anti-inflammation properties. So there are so many benefits of using collagen peptides. Okay, and they are really helpful in your you can like hairs, nails and skin all, and there are so many benefits. Okay, but if we talk about like this brand, you should buy or not, yes, definitely you can make a purchase, and this is also a good brand. Okay, but the thing is, this collagen peptide, when we checking the nutrition information, the serving size of the product is like only 10 grams. This is very good. In the 10 gram you will get 9 grams of protein, so you can imagine the protein percentage, like 90% protein percentage you will get. And there is also collagen peptide complex, so this is also a very good thing, and it will give you lots of benefits, and lots of benefits you can say. So you can buy this product without any doubt, but the thing, don't try to buy a product, subscribe and save option. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.